Hello guys, this is Nikhil Chakma. Every single day I'm trying to learn English. Actually, I want to explore myself and I'm driving to be a perfect, just like a native English speaker. So first I'm following shadowing technique. I have a lot of mistakes. So I'm trying to reduce my mistake. So let's read. Here on my computer screen, as you can see here, semiconductors can be the new RMZ. Scroll down to the bottom. With the consistent growth of our IT sector in recent years, Bangladesh's endeavor to become a knowledge-based economy has already gained significant momentum, while labor-centric sectors like the ready-made garment, that means RGM stands for ready-made garment, industry remain a key driver in our economy. It is important now to expand the focus to skill-intensive sectors so that we can stay globally competitive and can create employment for the educated masses. The emerging semiconductor industry can play an instrumental role in this regard. So, what I do and how I understand all the text, just whenever I can't realize or I don't know every single word, I just double click, and here you can see the translation in Bangla. Instrumental mean jantrik. So, or if you block uh, a sentence, and this sentence translations will show you in Bangla. And if you want to listen, just click on the
With the
microphone.
consistent growth of our IT sector in recent years,
I think it is possible on our smartphone. So if you want to learn English, you can do it every single day. Just practice and practice, and keep listening, keep trying, and push up yourselves every single day, every moment. I think you will succeed in future. So maybe less, maybe more, maybe 6 months, maybe 1 year later, you will be a good English talker, a smooth talker. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.